Teens and kids all under the age of 18 are making up for about 10% of gun violence victims in the city of Philadelphia. And today, the Pennsylvania Attorney General holding a special roundtable with Philadelphia students to discuss how the gun violence impacts them. And Jeff, you got a chance to speak to some of these kids. What did they have to say?
Yeah, we talked to both the kids and the Attorney General himself. I think, Don, it's fair to say that Pennsylvania's Attorney General got an earful today as she held this roundtable with Philadelphia public school and private school students about gun violence in this city. The numbers are grim. 199 Philadelphia students shot in the last school year, 33 killed. In a school district auditorium, nearly 24 students sit across from Pennsylvania's Attorney General to speak of their lives in a time of near unrelenting violence.
I've been shot at 2 times in my life, so it really put a toll on me mentally. So, like, if you think about it, it's sad.
Attorney General Michelle Henry says she wants to think about it and is meeting with students across the Commonwealth to hear how gun violence impacts their mental health, their well-being. Henry plans to produce a report with recommendations, but was pressed on what the law enforcement agency she leads is doing to stop the violence.
We've been very aggressive on the straw purchasing. We've been very aggressive on the ghost guns, and it's important that we utilize the laws that are on the book and hold people accountable.
Henry says she'd like stronger gun laws, like reporting of lost and stolen weapons recently rejected in the State House, background checks for buying long guns at gun shows, and a red flag law pulling firearms from people in crisis. The district's head of school safety says he plans to add 7 more schools to the 13 with safe path plans for kids coming and going to classes.
No child in America, but particularly in the city of Philadelphia, should be able to go to a school and feel hopeless that we can't do anything about violence. We're the adults. If we can't stop it, then who does?
The students say they know kids who've been gunned down and say there's fear in just trying to make it to school and back.
And it's really always I love you, and it's really always you should hug people before you leave, because on that train ride to school and on that train ride back, you really never know what can happen to you.
199 students shot in the city of Philadelphia in the last school year, 33 killed. Certainly, school officials in this city hope for a much less violent school year coming up this year. Live in South Philly, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News. Dawn.
Staggering numbers, Jeff. Thank you.